all you cool cats and kittens, my name's Gabrielle and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make fire without a match. Let's get started. So I've been involved with the SOAR Club and the Forestry Challenge for 3 years now. I'm a junior here at CHS and Mrs. Lucero taught me how to make fire using only flint and steel. And that's what we're going to be doing today. So let's grab what we need and get started. Alright, so what you're going to need to make your fire is some duff. These are just some really dry leaves and small twigs that will help you get your fire started. And then I chose some dryer lint. You can get some pocket lint. It helps the flame light the duff. And then the last thing you're gonna need is your flint and steel. All right, so we're doing this on a little bit of a windy day, so it's been a little hard to catch a spark. But you're gonna put your duff in a circle and put your pocket lint right in the middle so that once the pocket lint catches the spark, so will the surrounding duff.
Just a couple of things to remember when starting a campfire. First, always find a safe place free of debris, dry tinder, or anything that could catch fire. If you're hiking and need to start a fire without a proper fire pit, find large rocks that can be used to create a makeshift barrier. This will keep the fire contained. Second, gather your materials you will need to sustain a fire once you get it going. You'll need your duff, dry tinder, and large pieces of wood. Third, take out your flint and steel. Striking flint with steel produces hot sparks. Flint and steel has been used in starting fires for centuries. Fourth, have a safe place to put out the fire. The best way is with water. Have a container nearby to douse the flames when needed. Smothering smaller fires, as you'll see in my demonstration, can be an option. Fifth, never leave a fire unattended.
All right, so you're gonna take your flint and your steel, and you're gonna strike it in a flicking motion. So you're just gonna wanna go like that. Lift it up at the end. All right, so let's start. Oh, the wind. So we've been having trouble lighting our fire because we don't have enough duff and it's a little windy outside. So we're taking this dried plant that's actually dead. We found it in our neighbor's yard, but we're gonna take it so it can catch the fire, the spark easier, and then we can start a good fire. It's wrong side. All right, so now that it's caught, see how it's spreading very easily? This is because it's very dry, dead plant. And so once this would all catch, this is when you would add your bigger twigs around it and some more dry plant, because that's how it builds into a campfire. So this is why you want to be very safe, because it can spread really easily. And if you're doing it in the grass or especially in the woods where there's a lot of duff around you, it can spread really easily and start a forest fire. So this is why you want to be careful while making your own fires. All right, so now we're gonna put it out. And this is where you want to be careful, because if you blow on it, it actually makes the fire bigger. And this is when, like you've seen in the movies, you just, and that's how you put it out. You want to make sure that there's no embers anywhere, because those can catch if they have enough oxygen. All right, and that's your fire. As you just saw, I made a fire by only using flint and steel. I would love for you guys to grab your materials and come and make a fire with me. I know we're all stuck inside during the quarantine, and it's nice to get outside and do some outdoor activities. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.